Defending is hard. That's why you need backup. Here's what you need to know about cover. When a defender applies pressure to the attacker with the ball, they don't always succeed. That's where cover comes in. Sometimes called the second defender, the defender providing cover is ready to step in if the pressure defender is beaten. Think of it as creating layers of defense to stop the ball. The cover defender should always be between the ball and the goal, and ideally positioned in such a way that they're close enough to stop the attacker, but far enough back that they can cut off a pass from the attacker to a teammate, like that. Let's see that again. Cover the defender, block passing lanes, stop the attack. Now that's teamwork.